Hi everybody. Okay, so today is a super nice day out, and we have company, and we're gonna have a little fire tonight, and we're going to walk over to the convenience store to get some s'more supplies and chocolate, marshmallows, all that kind of stuff. We're going to make some s'mores, and I just want to hang out with you guys because I haven't done a video for a long time, and I'm starting to miss you. So, big hug. Yeah, you want a hug. So, anyway, today I was thinking I would just, show you around the house a little and show you how our fire making process is going. Also, my school is having a little fundraiser, and I'm going to show you some of my jump roping tricks. I only have a few. They're kind of the same. But anyway, so I'm going to do that. I've already been outside a little, and as you see, I have a sunburn on my shoulder and on that shoulder, just a little. And I got this new outfit, and I just think it's super cute, and I just really wanted to wear it today because it's such a nice day out, and I have a little dolphin necklace, which does not go with this outfit, but I do not care because I like it. And before I start, two things before I start the video. One is that I am going to my dad's house in 6 days, aka in Alberta, because I'm going with my grandma to Alberta, and I'm going to stay there at my dad's for a week. So, I'm just going to take a few videos, and I have two new little sisters. So, they will be super cute, and, oh yeah, those two sisters, they are the, little girls that are on that slideshow video. Forgot what that video is called. I think it's like something like Best Little Sister Ever or something. Something like that, but anyway, also two, I'm going to do a 10-second like and subscribe challenge. So 10. No, let's go with 5 because I really miss you guys and you need 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. If you haven't done it, do it now before I start this video. And if you have, make sure you turn on your notifications so you never miss one of my videos. So, yeah, hit that bell. Let's go. I'm going up the stairs and there's really bad lighting behind me. Someone's doing the dishes. There's Ginger Moonlight, Murphy Moonlight. Murphy Moonlight is amazing. And Ginger Moonlight. Ginger Moonlight! Then there's the stairs and more stuff. See that screen door? I almost bumped into it. What was I going to do? Oh, I guess I can't anymore. Or can I? Okay, so next I'm going to do some skip roping. Oh, you want to know how I found out? Well, let's fast forward a little. I won't fast forward, I can't. But, do that back thing. Fast backing. Yeah, fast backing. Going back in time. Let me just show you what happened. I didn't take part of the video of this, but let me show you what happened.
Yes.
Now all I need is a skipping rope. I'm going to make it appear in, 3, 2, 1. Oh, right. 3, 2, 1. What am I missing? Oh! Need to do, first to make the magic happen, I need you to like and subscribe to my channel. So, 3, 2, 1. Have you done it yet? If you have, turn on your notifications so you never miss a video. Time to do this. So let's do this in 3, 2, 1. Water gun! Not the one I was looking for, though. There's the skipping rope. Alright, let's do this.
Yeah, I mean, I knew last night.
I don't know if you can see me very well, so I'm just gonna back it up a little. Back it up, back it up, back it up. Yep, that kind. I need to figure out how to fix the stand here. I need my tripod, but I don't know where it is. Actually, I do, but I'm too lazy to get it. There. Ginger. Oh no, there's a dog barking. How rude. Okay. Ginger, please move out of the way. Thank you. I don't know if you see me. If you do, that's great. Oh. Normally this fails. Cinder, ow. Cinder pain. Yeah, okay. No. Okay.
She's funny, but I've never.
Cinder. Yeah. Kiss her. Come on. Let's take. Kiss. Take. How many? Take. One. Pain. It took no doctors. She was completely fine once she got bitten. You know what I need right now? I need a water gun. As soon as I disappear. So, yeah. That's my, that's all I have to say. So, yeah. Water guns are the best. And they're the best because they're not actually guns. They're just water. A lot of people could just be dramatic. I'm not the kind of person who's dramatic, but, you know. No! Save me, or I'm gonna die. Please, like this video if you would like to save me. The next part of this video does not really have to do with anyone dying of water. Oh. So yeah, this part of the video did not include dying of water. This part of the video includes my good friend, Steve. Steve, tell me how your life is. It's pretty good. You know what I like doing the most? What do you like doing the most? Getting watered. Getting watered. Okay. Well, does it hurt when people take off bark? No, it's like shedding. What? It's like shedding. Shedding, but you're not a dog. Yeah, I know. Now, how do you know what shedding is like? Well, no dog seems to yelp, and they do it all the time. Well, my dog does it all the time. Murphy might. Surprisingly, a tiger's long fur. She doesn't. But I guess you could say that it's kind of like shedding. I guess it wouldn't hurt, would it? No, it doesn't. At all. Try pulling off some. Okay. Like what? This? Ah! Ah! The pain! Oh, the pain. The pain. I thought you said it didn't hurt. I was just being dramatic. Okay. Well then, let's leave our good friend Steve. I don't know what to do. I'm alone. Well, our good friend Steve kind of got a nervous breakdown. I mean it. He's like, Ginger, no, 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 no. See you later. Next up comes the not very bright place. starring Ginger's tail and the piano. As in me. Actually, the piano is me. She wasn't really talking about herself. It was totally me because I'm amazing. You know, I'm the real personality of Caitlin. Hey, no. But I don't want to. No, I don't want to get off. Well, you have to. She's making me get off. Jeez. Sorry about that. She's a weirdo. Hold on. I'll take care of her. Ugh. Fine, I'll leave. It's kind of rude. How about I just sit here and watch? Sure. How nice. Comfy. And I have her to stop by. Anyway, here we go. And there we go. Would you like to hear another song? Of course they would. Yes, of course they would. Here we go. Another one that I made up. I don't know what I call that one. Forgot what I called it. Something waltz. That's what I called it. I don't know. Okay, the waltz or something. I don't know. Jump scare. Starting now. You know what it'll come from? It'll come from over there. It'll come from behind there. Just saying, that way it's not that scary. I could be scary. Just kidding. It's not coming from there. It's coming from under here. you know, right there. So yeah. I'm wondering if you're getting bored. Well, too bad, I'm not. So there's a fire going on, and I would like to go in front of it, so. We're gonna get some more stuff later. There's fire. It looks cozy. So yeah. This is the fire. Feels warm, looks warm. Gonna get s'mores later? Yeah, that's pretty warm. It's so warm, look at it. So nice. I love it. I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy the fire. I can't believe no one else is doing this. Let's take a moment to watch the fire together. Oh my gosh! Never mind. I'm just gonna back up a little, you know, just because. Would you like to play a place to sit? You can sit in that special blue chair. Nice, right? I mean, at least we're giving you a place to sit. Bad idea. Let's not sit. Do you hear that? Do you see that? It is literally on fire. Let's not. Maybe. You know what? I'll let you sit in that chair. Easier to sit up. Enjoy it while it lasts. Sit a little closer, shall I?
I put my underwear out. Oh yes. Why do you make a big deal about this? And they like they're hurting on him, make jokes.
You can basically see.
Oh, look at that. You got a little fire going here, kid.
Oh yeah. Me and my phone and my
We gotta find.
you know, my
I'm going
moonlight
upstairs to hand
fan.
you down the chair.
Relaxing. Me and my moonlight fan were just relaxing.
I'll just hand you that one.
Sorry about all the commotion, folks. I feel Ginger wants to go outside, but I don't want her to go near the fire. I just don't. It'll be dangerous. Oh, not. She doesn't have to be alone. This is Gingy Moonlight. Gingy Pooper. Hold on. I like to call her Gingy Pooper. I just do. I don't know why. Don't know how it started. I love you too. Okay, Ginger moi. Ginger moi. Ginger. Ginger moi. Moi. Okay then. I'll make ya. But Ginger, I was about to give you the hand kiss. Isn't it adorable? She wants a little belly rub. A belly rub. Ginger, are you okay with being on YouTube? Of course I am. I'm gonna be famous. She loves it. I'm just gonna use her as a pillow. Oh yeah, her paws are massaging me. Don't think she likes that. Mwah. She's adorable though, so I just can't stop. Mwah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah. Ginger. Ginger. Ginger, moi. Moi. But Ginger. Okay, first I'll give you a belly rub. This is our deal. Give her a belly rub. She gives me a lick. Ginger, moi. Moi. Thank you. Thank you very much. Guess what I just found out? My grandma went to the convenience store without me. She went without me. I can't pick out the kind of chocolate that I want. And also, I can't take a video and take a walk with everyone. There's fire going in my eyes here. And an angry face if not. They're tasty and delicious.
When I forget, like if I'm in a long conversation, I forget to change the gum. It doesn't really, I don't really.
Mmm.
Oh yeah. You know what's interesting about gum to me? I was a gum addict. I just quit. And then it's all and I don't even want them anymore. You need a licky or something, but
Let me tell you how this tastes.
Good old hygiene. I brush my teeth. I brush my breath.
It doesn't need to always for your teeth to be chawing away and your no, and you don't always have to have like minty breath.
In my
I have
opinion,
to say that
do do
the
do
dentist
do
has said it is
do
good.
do 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 do.
Anyway,
Mhm.
I quit about
Do 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 do
I used to be
do.
the one.
Oh, they're really good.
The one